Independent candidate S.Nishikant is the richest candidate in Manipur with asset worth Rs 23.59 crore. Nishikant, who is also the owner of the Shanghai Express, filed his election nomination on Tuesday at office of RO 12 Kashamthong AC in Imphal West. With a total asset amounting to Rs 23.59 crore, his spouse S. Nandita has asset totaling of Rs 5 crore 70 lakhs 39,368.44. As per his affidavit, Nishikant owns movable assets worth Rs 17 crore 65 lakhs 94,525.7, including Rs 3 lakhs as cash in hand, over 47 lakh in 8 different country accounts, over Rs 6 crore several investment in shares, mutual funds, among others. He also owns 11 pre-owned vehicles, which includes 4 heavy vehicles, a Maruti van worth Rs 3 lakhs 63,200, 1 Jeep Compass worth Rs 27 lakhs 4,740, and 1 Mercedes-Benz worth Rs 71 lakhs 88,403, and a Verna car worth Rs 11 lakhs 86,630, and a licensed pistol. His wife has Rs 4 lakhs cash in hand. Nishikant has liabilities as government dues of Rs 8 lakhs 49,631 and Rs 2 crore 30 lakhs 61,948.98 as loans from the bank. According to the affidavit, Nishikant completed BCom honors in 1987. He and his wife's professions is business and their source of income is the income from the business. While he was one of the 4 contenders of the BJP ticket of Kashamthong AC, the ticket backed by the Alangbam Johnson.